Hi and welcome to this video tutorial on looking at the tools menu options. So we come up to the top, we're going to left click on this and we can see that we have two options. We have range statistics and also the measurement tool. We'll start off by looking at the range statistics and we're going to left click on this. This puts a blue border around the option, but nothing else changes. And as the name implies, we're looking at the range of statistics, which means that we must select a range. So what I'm going to do, let me just pop on the crosshairs so we can see where we're measuring from, and I'll just reset that as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to go from here over to here because the market's been in a range for a few days and we want to see what that range is. So I'm just going to now hold down the left mouse button, click, drag across and let go, and now we're presented with a whole lot of data. We first start off by seeing that we've got the date range that we've selected, the number of price bars that we've selected, the number that were actually positive on an up day, those on a down day, and the range of the open, high, low and close. We've also got the open to close range there as well, and to high. We can see that we've got 74,359. The average dollar per bar during that range is 1, and the average low to high, that's open to close. Sorry, let me just add that in there as well. Open to close. And then we've got the low to high, where we've had a range of just $49 there. So it's very useful to see when the market's ranging what the average is going to be, and also it alerts you to actually think, wow, it's not really moved an awful lot during this time. If you want a bit more precision, you can then use the measurement tool. So for example, let me just mark up this trade before we go any further, and use the trade markup, and we'll mark up the trade there. I'm just going to remove the scalp line there, and that's used as the first profit target, but I'm just going to take that out for the time being, and again it's a subject for another video. But if I want to see how far this market's moved up to this high from the entry point, so we've got the entry point here and the high here, and we want to know how far the market's moved, I can come up and click on measurement tool, and all I need to do is just to take the crosshair there, and I can just click on the entry price line there, and then up to the high of the bar, and click again. And over here on the top of the screen, I can see that the market during this move from the entry price to the high was a move of $1,273, and that's in a 60-minute period, which you can see here. So a big move, the market breaking out from that sideways move we'd had for several days that we looked at in the range statistics. You can now see how big the explosion was coming out of the sideways move, which is characteristic and not uncommon. When a market ranges for a while, it will break out and move very sharply to the up or the downside. So that's how we use the range statistics and the measurement tool, and to cancel this we just left click on it and that will remove it from the chart. Okay, that's it for this one. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.